Why do 90% of successful techies swear by Python? Because it's the language of opportunity, and you can master it right here in Pusad. Python isn't just a programming language. It's a ticket to endless possibilities. At Eklavya Informatics, we're not just teaching Python, we're shaping tech leaders of tomorrow. Imagine yourself creating innovative apps, automating tasks, and solving real-world problems. Whether you're a beginner or looking to upskill, our Python course is designed to make coding simple, exciting, and incredibly rewarding. Our expert instructors break down complex concepts into bite-sized lessons, ensuring you grasp every detail. Plus, our hands-on projects mean you'll be building your portfolio from day one. Need flexibility? We've got you covered with both online and in-person classes. Our community is vibrant, supportive, and driven by a passion for technology. Why wait? Join the ranks of successful coders who started their journey at Eklavya Informatics. Your tech career makeover is just one course away. Visit us at Eklavya Informatics in Pusad or give us a call at 843-2644-852, 843-2644-858. Embark on your Python journey today and let's code your future together. Remember, the world of tech isn't waiting, so why should you?